Hello everyone, this is the Master 007 and I'm back with another Diecast review. This time I am going to be reviewing this Joal truck crane. It's made by Joal, which is a company that's made in Spain that makes this, and it's a very nice truck crane piece, and it's all die-cast metal, and it can turn all the way around, and the tires move pretty well, and then the cab. There's not really any detailing inside the cab. But yeah, and the hook is all metal as well. And this can actually fold down, but fortunately I can't because I'm holding my camera. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this review, and this is the Master 007 signing out.